quickly show you how to clean your ring at home. So this little ring here just came in for a clean, polish and service, but I just wanted to quickly talk about how you can actually clean it at home. So first couple things you'll need is hot water, a soft toothbrush, dishwashing detergent and cloudy ammonia if you have some. Now if you don't have this, that is totally okay. You do not need it as long as you have dishwashing detergent. Do keep in mind though that when you've got cloudy ammonia, I wouldn't recommend smelling it. It does smell pretty bad. So got our ring here, and what we're going to do is we're going to get the dishwashing detergent, put it in, no need to measure, and a little bit of cloudy ammonia if you have it. So adding both of those, and now you're just going to gently put your ring into the hot water and leave it there until it cools down.
5 minutes later.
So now that the water's cooled down, I'm going to take out the ring and start to dab on the underside with the toothbrush. This will get out all the dirt and hand sanitizer and creams. Everything that you use on your hands, even soaps, all gets stuck underneath the underside of your ring, and it'll cause your stone to look opaque and look a bit dull. But do not fear, there's nothing wrong with your sapphire if this happens. So keep in mind that this is a sort of cleaning process you want to use for sapphire engagement rings or diamond engagement rings, but not for opal or any other gemstone that could get easily damaged. So I'm going to clean all the little spots like in the little logos. Now our customers do get complimentary clean polish and service, but if you cannot make it in to see us, like if you're in lockdown or anything like that, you can always clean your ring at home like this or get it shipped to us via express signature on delivery for a secure in-house clean and polish.
Meanwhile,
so I've dabbed underneath the stone for quite a little bit now and gotten out a bit of the dirt. It already looks really good. So obviously cleaning at home, you're never going to be able to get out all of the dents and marks that happen over time from wearing your ring. But this is perfect for you to clean and get your sapphire looking sparkly and new again. So after I've done all the cleaning, I'll give it one quick rinse off in the water again. Try and get off any loose bits of dirt and hand sanitizer, hand creams. And now I'm going to take it over to the cold water and I'm going to rinse it off in the water to get all of that dishwashing detergent and cloudy ammonia out of the ring. All done? I'll take a quick paper towel and try and get off as much water as I can gently. I'm not scraping the ring, I'm actually just dabbing it with the paper towel. Nice and easy and gentle. Awesome. Now that it's pretty much dry, I'm going to get my polishing cloth, which you would have gotten in your pack, and give it a quick little polish. Now look at that. That transformation is awesome. Going from a sapphire that was a little bit dull and dirty underneath to now being sparkly again and looking like new.
I'm going to walk you through what we do when we service a ring. So first thing we do is I like to check the stones, make sure all the stones are nice and tight and secure, that there's no movement in there. There. Okay. First step is we'll go through 3 different grades of emery, from coarsest to very fine, and this is just to get rid of any light scratching, or marks that we can get rid of, like this. Now that it's all emeryed up, I've taken as many scratches out as I can without taking too much metal away. Now we go to the polish. Now we go from the polish into the sonic. This cleans away any compound.
A few minutes later.
Now that it's all clean and all the dirt's gone, we'll take it to our steamer.